guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you can see more awesome content just like this. You can also follow me on my socials, which I will leave on the screen. I will also leave a link to them in the description below. Alright, so in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to change or add a thumbnail to your YouTube videos. It's pretty easy to do, just follow what I'm about to show you. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is make a thumbnail. I've already made one right here. So this is my thumbnail. I'm not going to get into how to make a thumbnail in this video, but if you want me to make a tutorial on that, leave a comment below and I might just make it. So make a thumbnail, and after you do that, go to YouTube and right here in the top right corner, click that, click YouTube Studio, go to videos and find the video that you want to add or change the thumbnail. In my case, it's going to be this one. And if you just scroll down a little, you can see this upload thumbnail thing here over here. So just click that and locate your thumbnail wherever you have it on your computer. In my case, it's my desktop and it's actually just right here. So I'm going to click open and it'll be changed, and make sure you click save, because if you don't click save, it's not going to save. So let's click save, and now your new thumbnail should be over here. Oh wait, we gotta refresh it, and right there. That's it. That's all you have to do to change your thumbnail. So yeah, as you can see, it's already changed. So that's it. That's all you have to do. It's super easy. Alright, so that's all you have to do to change your thumbnail on YouTube. It's super easy to do. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to see more awesome content just like this. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and Twitter, which I will put here on the screen somewhere, and I will also link them in the description below. So thank you guys again for watching. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Alright? Okay. Later.